Hey, what's up guys? Mike here. So today I got my hands on the brand new iPhone 13 Pro, which just arrived today. So actually I'm upgrading from my iPhone 10 to the 13, so it is a major upgrade for me. And I can't wait to unbox this amazing machine with you. So if you're into Apple products like this, or just the tech in general, so make sure you subscribe to my channel right now because I have tons of videos like this coming, and also of the real-world test of this new iPhone 13 Pro. You definitely don't want to miss out. So click the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any single future upload. So let's dive straight into it. So this time I got the graphite gray. The new Sierra blue looks pretty nice, but I think the graphite is more classic, will never go out of time. So that's why I chose the graphite gray. But it's personal preference. So they have this peel thing right here. So they got this green arrow here, so you can just peel off. There's a one here as well. And the moment of truth. So this is the brand new iPhone 13. Check this out. Wow, this is amazing. Look at the graphite gray. Looks so nice. So nice. My hand is very sweaty right now. I don't even touch the phone, but gonna do it. That's the phone itself. So let's put it down for now. So inside the box, it's just the charging cable and a bunch of like stickers and the pin you can switch the SIM card. So officially no more charging station. So let's peel this off. Ooh, look at the fresh phone. So it's very simple in the box, the phone, the cable, and some stickers and the pin. So definitely more environmental friendly. So my impression of this phone, I like the matte finish here. It seems like a cleaner finish, so it won't be easy to leave the fingerprints on the back. See, the side is the stainless steel, and you can already see the fingerprints on the phone. See? But overall build quality, you can definitely feel it's heavier than the previous version. Let me turn the phone on for the first time. There you go. Ooh. The new iOS 15. Nice. Just in case you miss out on the Apple press release, and I will quickly talk about what is new on this iPhone 13 compared with the previous version, which is the iPhone 12 Pro. So everything I mentioned here is all about the Pro version. So Apple finally got rid of the 64GB storage as the basic model. So instead, they have the new 128GB as the standard. So from there, you can get 256GB and also the 512GB. And the maximum you can go is 1 terabyte, which they just added this year. 1 terabyte of storage on the phone. That's kind of crazy. And also there's a new color added to the Pro lineup, which is the Sierra Blue. In my opinion, it looks pretty nice. And also iPhone 13 Pro adaptive refresh rate now is up to 120 Hz. So that means it gives you a better gaming, scrolling, and video playback experience. And this year, Apple added the brand new A15 Bionic chip, and it's a pretty decent upgrade from the A14 chip last year. And the camera. So the Pro version got 3 cameras, wide-angle lens, telephoto, and the macro lens. So the wide-angle lens, the aperture changed from the f2.4 to f1.8. So that means it allows more lights to come in and they give you a better low light performance and also the shallow depth of field in your background. And the brand new 3x optical zoom and the macro lens photography is the main thing I want to talk about on this camera. But I won't be putting in that in this video because there's going to be a separate video dedicated on the camera itself. So if you're into that, subscribe now and then turn the bell notification on. So once I upload the video, you won't miss out. So if you're a content creator, specifically, video creator, this brand new cinematic mode definitely redefined what a smartphone can do when we talk about cinematic shots. And of course, I will create a dedicated video regards the cinematic mode on this camera as well, so stay tuned. The next one is the better battery life. For the Pro version, the battery life increases for 2.5 hours. So this phone can easily last you for the whole day without charging. And then the last one is the ProRes video, but it's coming soon. So that's it for me for today. So just a quick unboxing and my first impression. So thanks for watching. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you do, please hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. More videos coming soon about iPhone 13 Pro. So I'm going out to the real world, test out the photo and the video capability of this phone. So I don't think you want to miss out on that. So subscribe. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Alright, peace. The moment of truth. So that's the new iPhone 12.